Hi everyone. I'm Piyush Gupta and welcome to my new channel. With over 17 years in IT, I've seen technology evolve, and today we are diving into one of the latest updates, New Teams 2.0. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire installation process for New Teams 2.0, highlight its key features, and offer tips to ensure a smooth setup. Whether you are upgrading from an older version or installing it for the first time, I've got you covered. Before we get started, let's talk about some important updates. As of 1st July 2024, New Teams 2.0 will become the new standard for Microsoft's communication platform. Additionally, the classical Teams client will reach its end of support in VDI contexts on 1st October 2024, and its end of availability date will be 1st July 2025. This transition is significant because New Teams is no longer offered via MSI or X packages but is now available only as a UWP, Universal Windows Platform, app in an MSIX package. This means that older operating systems, like Windows Server 2016, which cannot support UWP apps, will no longer be compatible. With that said, let's ensure your system is ready for the New Teams 2.0 installation. First up, let's check the prerequisites for installing New Teams 2.0. Your target device must meet the following requirements. A. Windows 10 version 10.0.19041 or above. Windows 11. Windows Server 2019 version 10.0.17763 or above. Windows Server 2022 version 10.0.20348 or above. B. Microsoft Edge WebView2 version 90.0.818.66. .NET Framework version 4.8 or above. If you are deploying Teams in a Citrix environment, additional requirements are: A. Citrix Workspace app for Windows, version 2203 LTSR or 2302 CR or newer. Citrix Workspace app for Linux, version 2207 *. Citrix Workspace app for Mac, version 2302 *. Citrix Workspace app for Chrome, version 2301 *. B. Citrix Virtual Delivery Agent, VDA version 2203 LTSR or 2112 CR or newer. Let's dive into the installation process for New Teams 2.0. First, download the required installation files for New Teams 2.0. Now, make sure to install the prerequisites on your target device. You need to install Microsoft Edge WebView2 and enable sideloading for UWP apps. To enable sideloading, open an Administrative PowerShell and create below registries. AllowAllTrustedApps, value 1. Allow development without dev license, value 1. BlockNonAdminUserInstall, value 0. Note: PowerShell commands are given in description section. Make sure that the .NET Framework version is 4.8 or higher. You can check this with PowerShell command in description section. Important: if you have a previous installation of Teams, it must be uninstalled before proceeding. To start the installation, use the following command in the command prompt, adjusting the path to your MSIX file. And that's it. You are all set up with New Teams 2.0. In our next video, we'll dive into the Microsoft Teams meeting add-in, exploring how to set it up and its key features. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.